I have 2 restaurants and a catering company in Fort McMurray, Alberta, Canada.
I own Maryland Fried Chicken in Augusta, Georgia.
The owner of True Legends Grill.
I decided to attend the workshop, find out how to bring all of our costs and systems in line to be able to grow our company.
If you are unsure in the beginning, then you need the workshop. It's really revolutionary for us to see how many dollars there really are when you start paying attention.
It's putting systems in place.
We were running about a 70% prime cost. After that seminar, we dropped our prime cost down to almost 65.
We are now in a position where we can put our systems in place. We can have all the advantages that the chain restaurants have with the systems, except we can have the personality and independence that we want in our own restaurant.
They offer you different checklists to make sure you're checking people out as far as what their daily side works.
Hearing my manager say that we were really running pretty well and realizing how much we really were leaving on the table just leaves no doubt that processes and procedures are effective.